You wake up one day and ask yourself a hard question. Why does freedom feel out of reach when you work so much? Why does your life depend on a paycheck controlled by someone else? Why does your future feel trapped behind rules you never agreed to? Chris Guillebeau offers a different path. A path built on your skills. A path that starts small. A path with low risk and strong results. A path that has already changed the lives of thousands of people across the world. They were not rich. They were not well connected. They were not waiting for permission. They acted, and they built income from simple ideas that cost less than $100 to start. This is their story. This is your starting point. Section 1. The Promise of Freedom. Chris traveled through dozens of countries. He met people who worked on their own terms. They earned money through small, focused businesses. No investors, no large plans, no gatekeepers. He found the same pattern everywhere. People used the skills they already had. They matched those skills with real needs. They offered simple solutions. They launched fast. And the result was freedom. Freedom from bosses. Freedom from stress. Freedom from fear. This book shows you how they did it, step by step. Section 2. Your skills are more valuable than you think. Every story begins with a simple skill. A traveler sold his photos online. A teacher wrote short guides that solved daily problems. A bike messenger repaired bikes on the street. A cook taught fast home meals to busy workers. A designer sold digital templates. None of them saw their skills as special, but buyers did. Your skills are the starting point. List them. Study them. Pick the one people ask you for most. That is where income hides. People do not buy talent. They buy solutions. Section 3. Interest is good, but demand decides. You may love many things, but passion alone does not pay your bills. Ask yourself, what do people ask you for? What problems take their time? What tasks do they avoid because they hate doing them? What do they already pay for? When your interest meets real demand, you get a strong idea. A yoga teacher failed with a physical studio. Costs crushed her. But when she focused on online sessions for busy parents, demand exploded. Interest gives motivation. Demand gives direction. Section 4. Value creates income. People do not pay for your idea. They pay for the result. A writer sold a short guide with clear steps. Nothing fancy, but the guide worked. People got fast results. Trust grew. Sales grew. Ask yourself, what result will the buyer see in one day? What result will they see in 1 week? If you answer those questions well, your offer becomes powerful. Value drives sales. Always. Section 5. Keep the offer sharp and simple. Your offer must be understood in seconds. One line. Clear, direct, strong. Examples. I help freelancers get clients with simple email pitches. I teach people how to start home baking. I sell travel guides for low budgets. One product, one promise, one price. When choices are simple, buyers move fast. Section 6. Start with low cost, low risk. Most people in the book started with less than $100. They bought a simple domain. They created a basic page. They released one focused offer. They did not wait for perfect tools. They did not chase expensive gear. They did not seek investors. A fitness coach created a no-equipment routine. He sent it to a small list. People paid because the value was clear. Low cost gives you courage. Courage gives you momentum. Section 7. Launch before you feel ready. This is where many fail. They wait, they hesitate, they delay. They chase perfect design, perfect branding, perfect messaging. But perfection is a trap. The people in the book launched early. They improved after feedback. They learned through action. Your first version is not your final version. Your first goal is to go live. Progress comes from movement, not planning. Section 8. Your story has power. People follow stories. People trust stories. People buy from stories. A baker lost her job. She documented her journey online. Her honesty built a loyal audience. Income followed. Your story does not need drama. It needs truth. It needs purpose. It needs clarity. Tell people who you help and why it matters. Section 9. Focus on one problem. Businesses grow when they solve one problem well. A language tutor focused on job interviews, not general lessons, not broad topics. One goal, one outcome, one problem. His service grew fast because the promise was clear. Write your problem in one line. Stay committed. Solve it with precision. Section 10. Simple marketing wins. Marketing does not need tricks. Send short emails. Share helpful content. Show real results. Give one clear next step. Sign up. Download. Buy. People follow clarity. People trust consistency. Simple messages outperform complex campaigns. Section 11. Keep your business lean. Stay small, stay fast, stay flexible. Avoid early staff. Avoid unnecessary tools. Avoid large expenses. Track your numbers every week. Income, expenses, feedback, winners, failures. Cut what drains you. Grow what works. A lean business gives you freedom. A bloated business steals it. Section 12. Expand slowly. Add new offers one at a time. Make sure each new offer supports your main audience. A writer released a single guide, then a workbook, then a short course. Everything connected. Everything supported the same mission. This builds trust. This builds momentum. This builds long-term income. Section 13. Community is your safest asset. People buy from people they trust. Answer questions. Show up often. Share value consistently. Be the voice they look forward to hearing. Community brings repeat income. Community brings referrals. Community protects your business during slow periods. You earn trust one small action at a time. Section 14. Systems save your time. As income grows, you must protect your time. Use templates. Use checklists. Use simple automation. Create a weekly plan. Systems remove stress. Systems reduce chaos. Systems keep your work smooth. Your business should support your life, not consume it. Section 15. Freedom is the final goal. The goal is not endless growth. The goal is not an empire. The goal is freedom. Freedom to choose your hours. Freedom to work from anywhere. Freedom to walk away from toxic spaces. Freedom to live your life on your terms. Small businesses in the book gave people more freedom than high salaries ever did. That is the promise. That is the path. Section 16. Real stories that prove the model. A bike worker offered mobile repairs. No shop, no rent. A simple idea, strong demand, steady income. A couple sold short travel guides. Simple digital products, low cost, high impact, predictable money. A designer created custom cards using cheap tools. Word spread. Income grew. Freedom followed. These stories share one pattern: skill, need, action, consistency. Section 17. Your first week plan. Day 1. List your skills. Pick the one with real demand. Day 2. Define the problem you solve. Write it in one line. Day 3. Create a simple offer. Price it clearly. Day 4. Build a basic page. Day 5. Show it to 10 people. Collect honest feedback. Day 6. Improve your offer. Day 7. Launch publicly. Momentum begins the moment you act. Section 18. Final message. You do not need permission. You do not need large money. You do not need perfect timing. You need clarity. You need action. You need discipline. This book gives you the roadmap. Your job is to walk it. Your future grows from small steps taken today. Your freedom grows from decisions made with purpose. Your income grows when you choose progress over fear. Start now, move forward, build your path. Your life changes the moment you decide to act. Thank you for listening. If this summary opened your eyes or shifted your perspective, I invite you to take the next step. Subscribe to this channel for more in-depth audiobook summaries like this one, focused on finance, freedom, and personal growth. And if you found value in this, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, wealth isn't just built in private. It multiplies when we grow together. Your next breakthrough might be one insight away. Thanks again for listening, and until next time, stay focused, stay free, and keep compounding.